Dan wil ik net harken op jou. Hoor, hè?
Wat zei je?
You don't what? The guy said to her, she's very cute. Now she wants to marry him.
Which guy?
And the one that just me hotel.
Oi?
Oh yeah, he was good looking, eh? He was a real piece of meat.
So where are we?
Alsjeblieft, toch moet toch weer my
New York.
my stem hier.
This is the one that's Today is the Hurricane Sandy Day, and we're roaming the streets of New York, floating with Hurricane Sandy.
And getting hit on. Are you all standing in the shade?
Huh?
This is a Dallas barbecue. I thought it was a gambling place, but it's not.
Gonna go gamble, guess?
I'm too Scottish to gamble.